Hello everybody. Today I am explicating the topic of word formation reduplication. Okay, my name is Viviana Duque, wrote 7 signature language for and functions. Reduplication. What is definition? A process by which the first syllable of a word or the complete word is repeated in the same way or by a small change in phonetics. For example, choo choo, blah blah, okay, dokie, and chunky punky. There are three types of reduplication: exalt, rind, upload. Use of reduplication. In English, reduplication is mainly used for express playful or aesthetic effects. For instance, in Yiddish English, is Asian reduplication, AG baby, is maybe, fancy, is mancy, belongs to express morphology. Sweetkill and Pauline, 1987. Use it to express an intention of joker, ironic such as goody goody, rah rah, abracadabra. Using in the language of the baby, in expressions such as boo boo, choo choo, poop poop. Types of reduplication. Except expressions in babies are mostly started replication, although there are also other expressions in daily language. For example, blah blah, bling bling, bye bye, choo choo. Knock knock, night night, no no, and pee pee. Rhyme. Another form of reduplication is present when the second part of a word rhymes with the first word. Many times the products are named in this way. For example, boogie woogie, boy toy, double trouble, and super duper. Upload. Upload is the term used for words where the vowels is changed but the consonants are identical. Um, Phrase finder points out that the most of this reduplication for no known reason begin with a short I sound. For example, dilly dally, ding dong, swing swang, flip flop, and ping pong. Okay, thank you for attention. I see you soon. Bye.